Hey guys, welcome to another Fox Cameras video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to color grade video. So here, I'm using SHOTCUT. Now, you don't need to use SHOTCUT. Pretty sure Premiere Pro does the same thing that SHOTCUT does. So first of all, you just import your clips. That's all. And then you just want to select the clips that you want to color grade. Then you want to head to your filters or options, depending on which video editor you use. Then you want to click add effect or filter, depending on which video editor. Then you want to hit the color grading effect, or whatever it's called on Premiere Pro. I've never used Premiere Pro. And then you'll have this screen, so selecting what color. So first of all, let's just watch our video here. Not high quality, like megabits a second, 1080p, but it's good enough to color grade. You can see it's kind of moved to a frame that has a bush in it. Then you just want to color grade, so the shadows will affect the dark scenes of your image. So if you want your dark scenes to look really, really dark, that's what you would do. And if you want them to look really, really bright, just want them to have them up. But I want them to be a little more dark. And that looks good. And we want our midtones, which are most of the bright scenes, maybe a little bit of the darker scenes. So let's kind of boost it. You wouldn't want to boost it, but that would look like if it was really dark. But it won't look like that ever, even in real life. So I want black to be black, not gray. I think that's good. Then you could choose which color, which I want it to be more green. Go to green, shadows, more, this in the middle. And then let's just watch it, make sure it looks great. So, as you can see, that looks good. Definitely doesn't look the best, but because of the low quality, but it looks good. Good enough for most uses. So that is how you color grade a video professionally. You can also change the aspect ratio if you wish, or maybe like change the brightness and stuff. I could change it right now. Like get that. But that is how to basically color grade any video.